Today we're doing an experiment with those bubbles.
What do you see?
Look at all those bubbles.
Yeah, look at all those bubbles.
But when you put your finger here, they're gone.
That's interesting.
But let me...
So we put an egg in a cup full of vinegar. All right, and then we're gonna see what happens. Now we're gonna let it sit for a couple days. Okay, so it's been about an hour or so. Benjamin, show us what's been happening.
This is the skin.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
The skin of the shell is starting to come off already. Look at that.
So what do we have? What do we do this experiment for?
We just gotta wait and see what happens. We're gonna wait a little bit more.
Today is day 2.
All right, let's see.
Today this was spinning, and this is part 2.
All right. You want to touch it and see?
If you touch it too much, Mom, then your hands will smell bad.
Yeah, the vinegar doesn't smell so great. But you want to touch it and see what it looks like?
Oh, it feels soft. You feel it.
Me feel it? Okay, let me try.
Gently.
Oh my gosh. It does. Look. That is so weird. Sophia, you gotta feel this.
Basically, the shell of the egg is getting wet and very soft. So it's coming off here, and that's why it's soggy, is because there's not a lot of shell. So that means that this right here that you're touching is the white part that you normally eat in an egg.
So cool. All right, and we're gonna wait some more.
Today is day 3, and why is this so soft?
Why? What do you mean? Eggs aren't soft. Are they soft?
Feel it.
Feel it? Let me try.
Oh, my hand is so dirty.
Oh my gosh. It is soft. Daniel, you want to feel it?
No.
No?
Mama, could you?
All right, let's see if you could take the egg out. You can grab it with your hands.
Oh. It's so squishy.
It's so squishy. Check this out.
What's this? Mom,
It's an
Mom, can
egg.
you wash my hands quick.
Okay. Then we decided to wash off the egg.
Push it all the way.
All right. What does it feel like?
I don't know.
Is it hard or soft and squishy?
A little hard and squishy.
This is so cool. Look at this. The egg is like squishy. What do you think about that experiment?
It was good.